What do you get when you cross paths with the Vitamix Ascent A3500 in black stainless finish with the Vitamix 48-ounce stainless steel container? You get the ultimate combo, right? Stainless plus stainless all in one package, just in time for Mother's Day. Talk about an amazing gift. Just for clarification, this is the 64-ounce container that normally comes with the A3500. This is not included in the package. The package includes only the stainless steel container and the A3500 in black stainless finish, and it's kind of a celebration. In the earlier years, a Vitamix machine such as the Vitamix 3600 came by default with the stainless steel container, and if you notice up top, they had plastic lids so you could view the ingredients during blending. Now this is the same situation with the 48-ounce stainless steel container. It comes with a clear lid and you can only view ingredients that way. In many of my videos, you guys see me using a 48-ounce container. It's a perfect size for big or small recipes. And stainless has its benefits. No more cloudy container from blending harsh ingredients. It's scratch resistant from ice, nuts, or other whole grains. And since it's stainless, it's immune from staining ingredients such as turmeric. And it's visually appealing, which really makes a difference in terms of how one wants their kitchen to look. Now this is a standard A3500, so it's compatible with the optional 64-ounce wet and 48-ounce wet and dry containers, as well as the 20-ounce blending cup with blades and the 8-ounce blending bowl. Okay, I'm giving you guys a view of its profile so you can see the black stainless finish. It's a very nice looking design. I have always liked black stainless appliances. They tend to be underrated. Now sometimes black stainless is overstated with some other manufacturers. And depending on what light hits it, the finish can give off a slight bronze appearance. Now here's the back of it. It looks better than the front of some other blenders. This package has a cool retro vibe. Now in my last video making milkshakes for the kids, I showed using the same technique with the tamper as the old-fashioned milkshake machines did with the stainless steel cup and the mixing stick. Making milkshakes alone would be great with this, along with the stainless steel being ideal for heated recipes. And you can order it on my Vitamix promos page at the top of the Mother's Day specials on blendingwithhenry.com.